Graphic 45 is proud to present a stylish new calendar collection, Fashion Forward. You'll be able to celebrate the entire year with imagery of glamorous ladies, Art Deco florals, and timeless sentiments. So with Fashion Forward, we're gonna start out with the collection pack. And so with this beautiful calendar collection, it's 12 double-sided 12 by 12 papers, and you're gonna get 2 of each in the collection pack, as well as 2 unique sticker sheets. And so in this line, you're gonna get 2 of each of these sheets. I'll just be showing you the one. So of course, to start out, we're gonna start out with January, and in each month, these feature these gorgeous, iconic fashion ladies with these fun sayings that are gonna be perfect for those planners and those calendars and so many different projects, cards for your loved ones that have birthdays, and each month you have this beautiful collection to pull from. And on the A side you see there, and then on the B side it has these gorgeous Art Deco florals. They're just such a perfect complement. And then getting into February, you have to love this. It's perfect for those Valentine cards. Got some really fun imagery, some little sentiments. Be mine, my darling. Be my Valentine there. I love you with so much of my heart that none is left to protest. Of course, a Shakespeare quote. And then on the B side of February, we have this gorgeous Art Deco floral. And then March, you just have to love this emerald green and sapphire blue that we are showcasing for March. So many beautiful women. We've got that fun little flapper lady down there in the emerald green dress. You are charming. Just lots of great cut aparts. Create your own luck. Perfect for St. Patty's Day, of course. And then on our B side of March, got this gorgeous floral. And then April, which is my birthday month, you have these beautiful, we've got some purples and pinks, just kind of screaming, hello, spring. You are colorful. Life is beautiful. It's really beautiful spring paper and that fun B-side. And then May, we have some of that citron yellow and that really vibrant pink, as well as the emerald green there. Let your dreams blossom. You are gracious. Blossom and grow. Just celebrating the beginning of a new season. Love that. And then we have June. And June just has that really beautiful blue. Always on my mind. Time to watch the flowers grow. Love the swans down there. This beautiful lady looking over a balcony out in like an outdoor patio setting. Just lovely B-side. And then July, I just love the July imagery. Definitely just, you can see she's out there celebrating the summer with the butterflies, a butterfly day. Keep your face to the sunshine and you cannot see a shadow. And I love this woman, fun in the sun, just dipping her toes in the ocean. Love it. And on the B side, you just have those lily pads kind of floating there. Gorgeous B side. And then August is just full of elegance. You are amazing. Wild Adventure. Look how beautiful she is. It's really beautiful. And September. This one looks some fun ladies here. Fall is in the air. You are strong. Live with passion. Spread your wings and fly. September for you. And October, I absolutely adore this image. The woman with the dress, the like skirt, like the hoop dress that looks kind of like a pumpkin. Life is a beautiful thing. You are playful. Enjoy the little things. October is just beautiful. And November, autumn. Grateful, thankful, and blessed. No better place to be. Just love these outfits that they're wearing. Very autumn-like paper design on the B side there. And then last but of course not least, December. Very holiday. I love that dress. All is calm, all is bright. Glad tidings of joy. Merry and bright. Believe in magic. And then fun B-side. Very, very holiday. Love it. So that is what you're going to get in the collection pack, of course. And with this line being that it's a calendar line, there's definitely our craft travel album with notebook set, as well as our craft mixed media album will work perfectly for any of those projects where you're trying to create a planner or a calendar book or something to that effect. And as far as our flowers, pretty much all of our flowers go really well with this line since it's so there's so many colors to it. Just keep that in mind. And so in that collection pack, you are going to get 2 6 by 12 inch sticker sheets that have little stickers to adorn all of the months of the year. So you can just see some of those beautiful images. And you can see all the variety of colors. And you can also, with this collection, you can get the die cut assortment pieces that come with just so many different pieces. And I'll just hurry and open these up and pull out a few of them. So with these, they're very ornately die cut out, as you can see with this clock piece, and they're printed on both sides. And these are just, there's so many little items in there. In this one, we have 51 pieces. So you're gonna have 51 decorative items for all of your fashion forward projects. So just check out how adorable those are. And you can also get the journaling and ephemera cards. You're going to be getting 32 of each of these double-sided cards that are 4x6 and 3x4. These are perfect for card toppers, for birthday cards, and for your mini albums and whatnot. So they are printed on both sides, and you're going to get 2 of each in every pack. And so these, of course, are a must-have. Just look how beautiful they are on both sides there. So there is also, of course, the lovely chipboard that will add dimension to all your fashion-forward projects. Just love those. And I have a couple projects here from Diane's workshop, and she has taken one of our book boxes and she has adorned it with our fashion forward collection with June, and she's added some of our claw feet on the bottom there. Just covered the inside as well. And she's just created these gorgeous flowers with our flower die and just added that beautiful, all of those details. Wouldn't this be a wonderful birthday present for someone with a June birthday? A little keepsake box. She's also created this gorgeous August album that would be a great gift for a lovely August person, friend out there. And this is using one of our black tag and pocket albums. And inside you could decorate this with just August kind of for that person, or you could do a whole calendar for the entire year for them to kind of journal and keep track of whatnot. So love it. And last but not least, of course, you can get fashion forward in the 8x8, which you're gonna get 2 of each sheet, and that will be the shrunk down version of the line. So that's great for you card makers and anyone that loves doing things in the shrunk down, more miniature version. And those are available now on g45papers.com, as well as the 12x12 patterns and solids. And so you're gonna get 8 different patterns and 2 sheets of each in this. So there'll be 16 total sheets. And so there's a lot of colors represented in this patterns and solids, which we wanted to do because there's so many colors in the line that we wanted to have a good representation of those. So that's what we have. A little bit of everything in this patterns and solids. So it's definitely a must-have for anyone that plans on working with the Fashion Forward collection. And so this is available now in stores near you, which you can check out on our store locator, or you can also grab this on our website at g45papers.com, and also you can check out inspiration there for good goodies and project ideas of different things you can do with all of the G45 paper collections. So thanks so much for joining me and have a great day. Bye.